Hey, hello everyone. Today we're going to see what you do if you get water on the inside of the Sherp. Last weekend I did some pretty crazy things diving into this small little pond. Actually had water probably up over the top of the whole Sherp. Anyhow, some water does come around like the gasket of the window over here. Not really by the doors, maybe just a little smidgen. I probably had about 3/4 of a gallon of water on the inside of it. There's 3 different bung plugs that I took out, drained out about, like I said, 3/4 of a gallon of water. So we're just going to plop those things back in here. Pretty easy to do. I just used a creeper right now just because it's easier. But you got one here in the front. There's kind of like 3 different compartments in a sense on the inside. And remember, those chains are... they're open, so the chains on the inside of it, there's oil that's going to drip off. So some of that does go on the bottom of the Sherp. All you have to do is just take like oil dry pads and clean it up, but it really isn't a matter. So pretty simple. Again, there's just 3 different bung plugs. In the front actually had the most water in it this last time, which was interesting to me, but we pounded on that pond and the water really went high. And if it wasn't me videoing right now, I would be sliding underneath the whole thing, but it's just easier to do it this way with the camera. That's really all there is to it. For another adventure. Tonight we're going to go out and make some deer trails. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Really helps me out. Makes all this worthwhile. Thanks. Bye-bye.